multiplying decimals using an area model. So we're going to represent 2 3/10 multiplied by 1 5/10. So I'm going to section off my rectangle across, representing 2 3/10. So that is going to be 2 holes across, two holes, and then 3/10 going across. Then I'm going to represent the 1 5/10. So that's going to be 1 hole going down, and then the 5/10 going down. Then I'm going to figure out what's in each section of my rectangle. So the first section that I'm going to label is my 2 holes. And how I really got that was I took the 2 and the 1 and I multiplied that together. So 2 times 1 gives me 2. So this section right here is 2. Then I notice that I have, in this section, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tenths. And we know that 10 tenths is going to equal to be 1 whole. And how I really got that, this is 1 whole. How I got that was I took the 2 and I multiplied by the 5/10. So that section is 2 times 5/10, and that gives me 1. And then I got down here, I've got 3/10 in this section. And how I really got that was I took 3/10 and I multiplied by 1. So 3/10 times 1 gives me 3/10 in that section. And then finally in the last section, I can represent that as the little squares are going to be hundredths. And I realize that I have 15 hundredths. So this section is 15 hundredths. And how I got 15 hundredths was I took the 3/10 and the 5/10 and I multiplied together. I got 15 hundredths. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all my sections together. So I've got the 2 holes plus the 1 hole plus the 3/10. Now I can further break down my hundredths into, I notice that 10 of these hundredths is going to be 1 whole. 1/10. 10 of these are going to be 1/10. So that's going to be plus 1/10. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundredths. So then when I add that together, I add the hundredths together, that's 5 hundredths. And then the tenths together, that'd be 4 tenths. And then the two wholes together, which will be 3. So my product is 3 45 hundredths. So that is how you model multiplying decimals with an area model.